You want girls to chase you, don't you? Of course you do. Girls love a man who's in demand, and nothing screams high value louder than when a girl has to work for your attention. In order to get girls to chase you, you first need to understand how attraction works. Women are attracted to different things than men are, but that doesn't mean they're any harder to please. In fact, if you can master these 8 simple tricks, you'll have women chasing you left and right. 1. Have a life outside of her. The first way to make a girl chase you is simple. Have a life outside of her. Women want a man who is interesting, passionate, and engaged in the world around them. If all you ever do is spend your time trying to get her to like you, she'll eventually lose interest. Instead, make sure you have your own thing going on. Pursue your hobbies, spend time with your friends, and do the things that make you happy. When she sees how much you love your life and how much fun you're having without her, she'll start to wonder why she's not a part of it. And that's when the chase begins. 2. Stop trying so hard. One of the most common mistakes guys make is trying too hard to get a girl to like them. If you're constantly calling or texting her, you're going to come across as desperate. Instead, try to let the relationship develop naturally. If you give her space, she'll be more likely to chase you. When you're trying too hard, it's easy to come across as needy or desperate, and that's not the way to make a girl chase you. In fact, it's usually the exact opposite. Sure, you should probably put your best foot forward when you're first getting to know someone, but after that, you don't need to try so hard. In fact, trying too hard is often a turnoff for women. So what does it mean to stop trying so hard? It means being yourself and not putting on an act. It means being confident and not needy. It means being relaxed and not tense. It sounds easy enough, but it's actually pretty tough to do. The good news is that the more you practice, the easier it will become. And when you finally master it, women will be chasing you left and right. 3. Be a challenge. One way to make women chase you is to be a challenge. Women are attracted to men who are a challenge because it gives them a sense of excitement, and they know that they will have to put in the effort to win you over. Here are a few ways to be a challenge. Be mysterious and don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Be assertive and don't let her dominate the conversation or interaction. Don't be too available and make her work for your attention. Keep her guessing and don't be predictable. By being a challenge, you will keep her interest piqued, and she will want to chase you more. 4. Let her chase you. The best way to get a girl to chase you is to let her chase you. That may sound counterintuitive, but it's actually quite simple. If you want a girl to be interested in you, you need to be aloof and mysterious. Don't text her back right away. Make her work for your attention, and be vague about your plans. This will make her want you more, and she'll be more likely to chase you. Of course, this doesn't mean that you should never text her back or make plans with her. You should still do those things, but you should do them on your own terms. Let her know that you're busy and have a life outside of her. This will make her respect and appreciate you more, and it will also make her chase you more. One of the simplest ways to do this is to make sure that you're not the one who always initiates contact. Whether it's texting, calling, or meeting up in person, let her know that you're interested, but don't be the one who is always available. This will make her see you as a challenge, and she'll be more likely to chase you. 5. Make her work for your attention. You've probably heard the saying that the chase is half the fun. Well, when it comes to women, that saying couldn't be more true. One of the best ways to get a girl to chase you is to make her work for your attention. What this means is that you don't always have to be available whenever she wants to see you. In fact, you should be busy with your own life and make her want to fit into your schedule. Of course, this doesn't mean that you should totally ignore her or be rude. Just don't be at her beck and call 24/7. Let her know that you have a life outside of her, and she'll be more likely to chase you. 6. Give her the space to notice your absence. If you're wondering how to make a girl chase you, one of the most effective things you can do is give her the space to notice your absence. What I mean by this is that you should take a step back and let her come to you. One of the reasons this works so well is because it's a low investment way of getting her attention. You're not putting yourself out there in a way that could be rejected, and you're giving her the opportunity to miss you. Another reason this works is because it creates a bit of mystery. When you're not around, she'll start to wonder what you're up to and why you're not paying attention to her. And the more she wonders, the more likely she is to chase you. 7. Be unavailable. The more you pursue her, the more you will push her away. This is because pursuing creates a sense of neediness, which is a major turn-off for women. Therefore, if you want women to start chasing you, it is important to be unavailable. One way to do this is by maintaining your distance. When she asks you to hang out, don't immediately say yes. Instead, play it cool and make her wait. This will create a sense of mystery and make her want you even more. Another way to be unavailable is by not being very responsive. When she texts you, don't reply right away. Take your time and wait a few hours before responding. This will make her wonder what you're up to and whether or not you're interested in her. 8. Master the art of banter. One of the most attractive things you can do is master the art of banter. If you can hold your own in a conversation and make a woman laugh, she'll be drawn to you. Banter is lighthearted, playful back and forth banter. It's not taking things too seriously or getting offended easily. When you can banter with a woman, it shows that you're confident, secure in yourself, and easygoing, all qualities that women find attractive in a man. Here are a few tips on how to banter with a woman. Listen more than you talk. This will show her that you're interested in what she has to say. Don't take yourself too seriously. If you can laugh at yourself, she'll be more likely to laugh with you. Keep the conversations light and fun. Avoid topics that are too heavy or controversial. Tease her in a good-natured way. This shows that you're confident enough to joke around with her.